If you are running a Gohighlevel web design or SaaS agency, or if you're thinking about starting one, and if you're using websites like these and wondering, why don't I get any clients? Let me ask you a question. If you're going for a personal training session and if you had to choose between this guy and this guy, which one will you choose? Let me give you a few seconds. Anyone with half a brain will choose this guy for their personal trainer because he doesn't even have to talk. You can see his physique and you will trust him immediately. And I'm pretty sure that you won't be scared or skeptical to spend your hard-earned money on this personal trainer to get the same level of results in small amount of time. Now apply this same analogy in your situation. Now you are the skinny guy who is trying to sell website and SaaS services to your clients. Now you can see why don't your clients trust you with their money to do the services. Because if your website looks like this, boring, outdated, with low conversion rate, and I don't know how you are thinking to get your clients to trust you enough to spend their hard-earned money on your services. And this is the main reason why I built this website in Gohighlevel with custom CSS codes with the help of human psychology to increase your conversion rate and build more trust within your services. Now let me show you how you can make use of this website to increase your trust and make more money within your Gohighlevel agency. So this is the website which is going to solve all of your problems. First, let's talk about the hero section. Of course, it's interactive with this rolling text effect, and I've gotten this question more often on my comment section or on my Instagram. How did I implement this rolling text effect and this rolling logo effect? And people think this is some of the features in Gohighlevel website builder, and they ask me where to find this feature. The answer is no, it's a custom CSS code which I built from scratch by coding into the Gohighlevel website builder. Of course, we have this rolling text effect in the hero section for more interactiveness, and we have this graphic half showing up on the top to ask the viewers to scroll down to check what it is. So by making this, we are asking the viewers to go down, because more than 80% or 70% of the viewers who come into the website, they spend most of the time on the hero section. If they don't like what they watch, they'll just click off. By doing this, by playing with their dopamine in the head, yes, everyone's dopamine is ruined by TikTok doom scrolling. This is the way you can actually ask your viewers to go check out what you actually have inside your website. And when you scroll down, you see this awesome graphic to show most of the features you are selling in Gohighlevel agency. When you scroll further down, you get to see all the features you can upsell in your Gohighlevel agency, like running email and SMS marketing, creating your own funnel and websites, like launching your e-commerce store. You get the point. You are showing everything in a place which is also interactive with some hover effect on the images. And we also have this interactive button to ask them to try it for free if you are giving them a free trial for 14 days or a month. And then we scroll down further, grow faster, free up more time. Because if you put everything in the metric, like show it on a number, people will trust you more. That's why this section is here. You can have the same interactive button over here. And when we go down, this is the main magic happens. You're showing all the services you're doing within your Gohighlevel website in more depth, in more details. Never miss a lead by miscalled text pack, and you're actually showing them visually with the graphic. Same thing with monetize your audience, like making them courses, automate your business process, like all the automations you are doing within your Gohighlevel website. People don't know what goes on within the software. If you show them visually what goes on behind the scene, they will trust you, and there's high probability of you signing the client. And up next, get paid effortlessly in just a few clicks. You're showing the payment processing and invoices features inside the Gohighlevel with the cool graphics like this. And up next, optimizing your time by showing them your booking system with Calendly, with the funnels. And at last, we're talking about converting leads into paying clients with ease while talking about funnels and forms inside the Gohighlevel. And as you can see, every section is interactive. When you move your cursor on the top, you'll get a blue halo effect on the border of the section. And the section itself turns a bit grayish to be more interactive, and all the buttons have the same hover effects. so to make the viewers being more interactive with the website. And this is one of the other most important section inside the website. Yes, you're not directly working with all the companies who are mentioned inside the website. It says it's an integration tools, but it's a psychology trick. If people look at the well-known company and the logo within your website, it will increase more trust and credibility for you, and you will increase the probability of signing this client and getting paid. And when we scroll down, you have a testimonial section. If you have reviews, client reviews, you can put the reviews inside, and if you don't, ask your friends to help you out with some reviews, and you can put that reviews inside to increase more credibility, because end of the day, you have to fake it until you make it. And up next, pricing option, choose your plan. This section took me a month to build this inside Gohighlevel, because this needs a custom CSS, custom HTML, custom JavaScript. So yeah, it took me a long time, because if you can see, it changes from month to year. And you can also see the section being live. There's a small radiant ball moving across the section to be more interactive and give it a luxury vibe. And of course, all the buttons in the pricing sections are interactive to ask them to pay you the money. And when you scroll down, at last you have this frequently asked questions. You can put the question that you frequently get asked. This section will answer all the questions your client is having, and it will clear all the doubts, and it will reduce the friction between you and the client and you getting paid. And when you scroll all the way down, it's the footer with quick links for home, help center, book a demo, contact us with your company, location, company name, and contact details, privacy policies and terms, connecting Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube if you have one, and the all right reserved, which you should have inside your website. As you can see, this website doesn't just look good and interactive. This website, each and every section is made with human psychology, how to sell your service to clients and how to get paid. I'm pretty sure that if you build enough trust with your clients with this website, you will sign your first client with no doubt. And if you already signed a client and if you want more clients, I'm pretty sure this will help you as well. And this is how you can increase your trust by making use of this website. And if you want to access this website, you can find this in the first link in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.